Oh yeah.
What's up, people of the world? This is Big Bomb J. Today I'll be reacting to the complete Triple S Assemble. Avengers Assemble. um, I'm very happy. 24 is finally here and it's complete. And it's honestly been such a journey. I've started this Triple S journey when they first came out. When Generation came out was when I really got to get to know the group, and then Rising came out. And Rising for me became the song that was like, wow, this group is gonna be legit. It wasn't until I think August is when I actually started watching the signals from the start. And it's been a lot. I'm caught up right now. Obviously, I've been watching I watched like 20, 30 signals a day that time, and then I'm finally here. I would say 30, maybe like 20, maybe 10. It's a lot, those videos were long, but it's pretty crazy how the journey has started. Um, During the concert, I met them at a cafe. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it down below. And it's insane, like the journey. It's like 24 now. I'm rambling on. Let's just watch this now. Let's go. So congrats again to S21, S22, S22, S24, Kim Chae-won, to Sullen, to Yerin, and to Sohyun. Sohyun. So again, congrats. We finally have our 24. Let's go check this out. Yay! Finally, we got a full classroom, yo. Oh, Yeonji is not the. She's not. Oh no, she Maknae line still. Yeah, she's still Maknae. So Sumin is not the Maknae anymore. Kotone. Steak. And Kaita just sleeping in the back. Good. Yeah, they knew it already. Haha, they knew it already. Ooh.
현장 체험 기분이에요, 여러분. 지금 우리 24명이니까 딱 한 반. 오늘 새로운 S 4명 만난다는 이유의 근거가 확실해지는 게 마지막 날에 그랬어. 맞아. 나중에 24명 되면은 다시 여기 가평하우스 오자. 맞아. 마지막 날. 맞아. 뭐야, 너무 예쁜데 여기.
She's so beautiful. No, you guys are more beautiful. I'm excited, yo. I'm very, very excited. I want to see what the reaction is. Oh, what's happened? Income settlements, what? So fast. Income settlements for the fastest season is completed. Oh. Oh. So, yeah, we knew this already.
오랜만에 키친에 오신 여러분, 지금 기분이 어떠신가요? 오늘은 바로 지난 2020년
Wow, 2022 is crazy. Wow, almost 2 years already. It is 2 years. Oh, it was exactly 2 years. Cause oh yeah, this came out. Yeah, this came out. Oh, that's crazy. Oh yeah, well, I didn't realize that. Oh, that's crazy. They're gonna cry. They're gonna cry. They're gonna cry. Oh, this is emotional. I don't know why. She saw my phone case. See, I love Soyeon. Soyeon became like a huge like. She became like a little sister. I don't know. I was able to talk to her for like 3 minutes with her and Kaide, and I don't know. They just seem so like. I know they knew what I was saying. They were understanding what I was saying, but they were so overjoyed by my phone case. I don't have any. My phone case broke, so this is the one I have right now. And I will never forget. That's probably gonna be such a memory for me that I'll never forget. So I have a special connection with Triple S as a fan. Oh, someone's gonna cry. She's gonna cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh. Hmm. Wow, this is very nostalgia feeling. Yeah, it's either Soyeon or Yuyeon as the leader of the group. Maybe they could have co-leader because there's too many members.
지금 이곳에 트리플스의 마지막 4명의 S가 도착해 있습니다.
Wow, here we go.
지금 바로 공개하겠습니다.
Kim Chae-won. I wonder if they know. They probably know her, right? Yeah, they probably know her. Kim Chae-won. It's cute.
땀이 나기 시작했어. 이제 트리플 S 멤버들.
Yo, it's so crazy, bro. Okay, so you guys don't know Kim Chae-won from Le Sserafim, Eyes One, a freaking it girl right now for me because like she's like trending everywhere with the flags and all. Yo, it's crazy, bro. He has such a resemblance of like Michelle. You know Michelle. If you guys know Kim Chae-won, Le Sserafim Chae-won, like you guys know Michelle, like her with the long hair. It's so I don't know, man. This girl right here, Chae-won, might end up being one of my bias lines too.
만나러 가는데요. 너무 긴장되고 갑자기 땀이 나기 시작했어요. 그래도
Yay. I actually saw a comment where they said that she had more screen time in this signal than she actually had in Universe Ticket. That's funny. That's sad too.
잘 만나보도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 출발.
It's cute. I don't know, not really. Chaeyeon? Yeah, she's so shy.
김채원입니다.
Oh, the Seraphim.
17년생이에요.
Introvert. Oh, Yuyun. Wait, who said that? Who said that? Oh, there's Nian. Yuyun. Wow, martial arts. Hell yeah. Oh, she could do the ISAC, the sports competition for idols. Oh yeah, she could definitely do it. Trying to break the ice. Wow, they're so pretty.
Let's go to see our tripleS members. Excited.
Yeah. Still in. Let's go. Thai member. Woo. It's so many of them. It's crazy. It's so shy.
저는 SE12 설림입니다. 저는 선린. 네. INFJ.
Oh, they're all introvert. It seems like they're all eyes.
저는 태국.
Die. Aww, that's awesome. It's so funny how awkward it is, but then of course later on it's gonna be very, fun.
사랑해. 우와, 응? 난리 났어.
막내랑 남았어요. 우리 막내. 너
Yo, okay, so I saw one of my comments when I reacted to Yeren, or soon to be someone else's name. Yeah, I definitely see Lee Yori. I definitely see it. The girl on the right, I definitely see like a Lee Yori. Someone has commented that, and I see it. I really do. If you guys don't know Lee Yori, she is a first gen idol, probably even before first gen. I've heard you guys check her out, man. She's an icon. But yeah, I definitely see the resemblance a little bit.
우리 막내. 너 들어가면 나 혼자 있잖아.
맞아, 언니 혼자 있어.
Ah, Soyeon is pretty too.
떨리고요. 그래도
The ballet dancer.
갔다 올게요. 잘 갔다 올게.
She seems like an extrovert. I don't know. Her personality seems extroverted. Let's see. New maknae. New maknae. Oh, she's really pretty.
제가 I 해자여가지고. 저 2010년생.
Oh, maknae. And they found out. It's so funny that they're not even paying attention that much. maknae. How can Jubi become Uni? How can Jubi become Uni? Oh, Sumin. It's all good. Sumin Sumin will be forever maknae for me, so it's all good.
어떡해.
Wow, she's like 2004, right?
그래서 뭐라고 해야 되지?
From what I remember, she's like 20.
더 챙겨야 되겠다는 생각도 들고 설린이도 언어 안 되는데 제발
Extrovert, let's go. I can feel it already. Extrovert, I can feel it.
언어 안 되는데
I can feel the energy. Extrovert.
제발
Oh, I can feel it.
24 완전체
Oh, let's go. 24. Kobe. Yeah, she's extroverted. There's no doubt now for me. I'll be kind of shocked if she isn't. Ballet dancer right here. Oh, she's pretty tall too. Oh, not really. Wow. That's why she reacted that way. Okay, went in the thing. Oh, really? Oh, I don't. That's hard. I didn't really. Oh, wow. Okay, I was wrong. He's already flirting. That's funny.
저 특검문제 보여드렸어요.
Ballet.
잘 부탁드려요. 저희 이름은 글로우입니다.
Glow. Triple S glow. Triple S last.
자, 이렇게 24명의 멤버가 모두 결정되어
Yeah, there. I really see the Lee Yori resemblance. Oh my God. Yeah, I really see it. It's so. Oh yeah. Oh, for both. Oh, for Soyeon too. Oh, I didn't know that. Okay. There's so many of them. But oh my God, congrats, man! Like this is the biggest K-pop group in history. From what I'm told and what I'm seeing online, this is officially the biggest group in K-pop. So let's go! I'm excited.
걸스 네버다이의 본격적인 준비에 앞서 오늘은 일단 서로 즐기는 시간을 갖도록 하세요. 새로운 S 환영해요.
Yeah, Kim Chae Won will definitely be contention for it.
사방에서 갑자기 목소리가 다 정치다발적으로.
Oh, it's so crazy weird, bro. Oh, she didn't. Oh yeah, she betrayed her. She betrayed her.
멤버 맞으면 끝.
I love. I love the personality already of Kim Chae Won, man. It's awesome. And then it's cute.
멤버 맞이는 끝이 나는데요. 팬분들도 항상 함께 해주셨잖아요. 멤버 맞이를. 어떻게 그 멤버 맞이가 끝났기도 하고 이게 진짜 트리플스 완성.
Yay.
앞으로 완전체 트리플스가 어떻게 많은 모습을 보일지 기대 많이 해주세요. 팬분들, 웨이브 분들.
네, 수민이의 전망박이에요. 아, 이거 내가 먼저 하려고 그랬는데. 맞아요. 이렇게 공치즈가 결성이 됐습니다.
07 is formed.
나 넘버. 언니 없어요? 아, 아이고. 거부당했나?
Rejected.
김수민 거부당한 거예요? 찾았어 너. 너라도 줄래? 난
저 동생 생겼어. 제 막내 된 지도 얼마 안 됐지만 잘 챙겨줘 보도록 열심히 할게요.
이제 진짜 나이 순서 있어.
Yeah, 10 years. 10 years of members.
신기했어. 진짜 아장아장 걸어다닐 줄 알았는데 이제 두 발로 들어오더라고.
권육수입니다.
근육이 추가됐어요.
권육수는 외국인이면 한국인 합류해서 잘 지내고
있습니다. 안녕.
자, 제가 ISTP.
Oh, they'll be Yubin. They'll be very like comfortable with each other after a while.
ISTP인 사람을 좋아해요, 그냥.
나도 ISTP라고 나도라고 했잖아. 나도라고.
그 MBTI로 사람을
Yubin.
멤버들 중에서 ISTP
So funny.
좋겠다 생각 엄청 많이 했는데 제가 4명 중에 있지 않을까 생각했는데 진짜 딱 들어온 거예요. 그래가지고 들어왔잖아. 너 기분이 좋아요?
저희 막내예요, 주 막내. 정혜린.
Oh my god, that's crazy. I see it, yo. I see it now. Oh, I see it. Yep, I see it. Wow. So it's like 14, 15? Could be 14 or 15, right? Oh yeah, I really see it, man. Wow. Yeah, food. Oh, so good. Cute. Steak. Oh. Hmm. Yeah. Yo, it's crazy how many members are in this group, though. But like, wow, I like it, because like it's very different. I think that's what makes it so unique. It's very different. Let's get a like a there we go. Let's get a good shot. Oh, I hope they get better with the for like these shots though, because obviously we know some of them are being blocked. So like, it's all good though. But yeah, congrats to Triple S, the official 24 members. It is finally complete after almost 2 years. Very very excited for the future of this group, especially with Girls Never Die. I've been told that it's probably their best concept and also probably one of their best songs. And for that, that is crazy because Triple S has not missed yet, and I'm just expecting them to always hit after hit after hit. So I'm a huge wave now. I just love this concept. Just having the fans be able to like have the freedom to choose what Triple S can go to, like the direction it can go to. There's always been a thing with me when it comes to K-pop is when sometimes the title track is not the title track. You know what I mean? Sometimes a B side is like the title track, and in this case, sometimes the opinions of fans usually are such a big detail or help towards a group because some fans just know more what these members can are more what's the word? I don't know. I can't think of the word right now. Like what fits. They know what fits. And for me, there was I forgot the name of it. There was like a song that really felt so Japanese, like a J-pop. I think it was second place to this. It was second place, and then this one, the Girls Never Die won it. That one definitely could have been like a Japanese comeback. So the fans know. So like, it's awesome. I just love it because it's just such a unique thing that has never been done before. And man, I'm just very excited. So again, congrats to S1 Kim Chae Won. Kim Chae Won for me might end up being one of my bias lines. I love her person, and I don't know, man. We'll see. Like, oh, and then S22 Sullen. Hope she gets really comfortable with speaking in Korean. I think she'll be fine. She'll be. I mean, it's fine. Like it takes a while, especially being the first like that's not Japanese or Korean. So Jong Hyerin is, oh man, that I really do see the Lee Yori resemblance now. People have been just talking about that. She's like the little sister or like a younger version of her. I do see it. If you guys don't know Lee Yori, look it up. She definitely has a little bit of resemblance. And then Soyeon, ballet dancer, definitely has a personality. I already see Kim Chae Won and Soyeon having like a more a better relationship or like they just seem like they already know each other so well. So yeah, I'm just excited to see the what's it called, the personalities come out. And obviously, for me, I know how overwhelming how many members this is. I love it. I think I know everybody. I know their names. I pretty much know all their personalities already. Also, like you just you invest. I invested so much into this group. I have every album. I have the signed albums. I have a signed photo cards from Yuyeon, Soyeon, and Kaide. I have a like meet and greet moment with them. Like and then I have the Cosmo app as well. I'm just so invested in this group, and I'm just very very like I'm very happy like as a fan of this group, a really big fan of this group. This group is probably my favorite group in K-pop right now. Their music is just, it's not even just because of the concept, but the music has hit. Every song is like always playing in my head, in my phone, all the time. Every time I meet someone who's a K-pop fan, I'll be like, "Do you guys know Triple S?" Like, oh, 24 members. Like, no, man, you can do it. But I'm just really happy, man. So it's very emotional at the same time, thinking that, man, this is it, and then the sky's the limit. So they're just gonna the potential is gonna be insane for this group. Rookie of the year, and then we'll end up being such a dominant force in the fifth gen. No, the fifth gen right now is cooking. They're cooking. Fifth gen is cooking. They're cooking, and I love it. No competition, no hate, no comparisons. Fifth gen, the entire fifth gen era is here, and Triple S is part of it, and I'm just very happy. So yeah, man. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I definitely will check out Triple S in the future. I've been planning to do signals for reactions. I'll see, because there's just so much to react to that I have to still. Um, I only do this for fun. I don't care about the views, but I kind of do. I just hit recently 1,000 subscribers, and I'm so happy and thankful and grateful for all of you. I appreciate all of the support that you guys have been giving me. Knowing the size of my channel just shows me that if there's anything I have to improve on or anything else. I also want to interact with just fellow K-pop fans, fellow, whatever I react to, just fellow fans of whatever I react to. At the same time, I want to appreciate the artist, the group, the person, whatever I'm reacting to. Like I've been getting comments like, "Oh my God, I'm a K-pop fan, but I saw your videos on Philippine pop, so I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna like this group too." So like that's what I want. I want to see a lot of my subscribers watch the groups that I react to, or the soloists or whatever, and then have them become fans as well. I mean, I just want to share also my experiences about K-pop as well. I'm a 2011 fan of K-pop, so just give a little bit, spread a little bit of positive vibes for the journey. So for the YouTube, I've been enjoying this YouTube thing for a while. Like I said, I didn't really expect all of this. I know it's not much, the views and subscribers, not much, but for me, it's a lot because I just did this for fun, and to see it now, it just makes me just want to keep doing this as long as I can. So thank you guys for watching. Triple S 24, it is finally complete. Very happy for them. I'll see you next time. Peace.